Hello, welcome to third video on Kiwi. Today I will show you basic widgets of Kiwi. So what is widget? Widgets are building blocks of our Kiwi app. So to understand what is widget, let's open my uh, Kiwi app which I have written few months ago. It is a basic paint app. Here I have used buttons. You can see buttons here, and I have used a widget where I can draw something. And widgets take events such as from touch input, touch event, mouse event, button click, etc. So um, and I have used a invisible widget here, which is a layout. I have used many layouts here. Here I have used a layout in where buttons are arranged. Layout is a special type of widget which can arrange our widget in order manner. And I have used many layouts are here. I have used layout where buttons are arranged, and these buttons and this widget are arranged in box layout, etc. So I can define my own custom widget by using some fundamental widget. So here I have defined my own custom widget. I have used a slider here, and I have used a label which show some text, and I have used here spinner. I can select any of them, and I have used pop-up widget, and I build this whole widget into a widget. So this is my custom widget, and here it is a color picker. Kiwi developer have defined this widget. uh, they use some text input, slider, and other also other classes. So let's open the uh, first tab on Kiwi, which I have shown in first video. Here we have called this app class from kiwi.app.py file, and button I have called button here from button.py file, which are in kiwi.uyx, and I have defined my app class, which is a child class of app class, and I have override this build method. Build method will initialize our widget tree. As I have used only button here, so it shows only button. So I can define my own widgets or own custom widget, then I can call this widget in build method. So let's make our custom widget. So to define so in Kiwi there are some basic widgets such as button, text input, slider, spinner, uh, mm, label, code input, etc. And there are some invisible widgets such as um, invisible widget, which are layouts. Layout will arrange our our widgets. There are some layouts such as the box layout, grid layout, float layout, stack layout, etc. So let's define our own widget tree. So to do this, I have to call a box layout. So run from ev dot uix dot box layout import 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 sorry import box layout box layout, and I am importing a text input from kv dot uix dot text input import stintput, and I am importing a level class from ev dot uix dot level import lavbl. So box layout will arrange widgets in two type, like say this is box layout, then box layout can arrange in vertical manner or vertical order. Widget 1 2 3 4 like this, or in horizontal manner like this. So I want to make, let's choose rectangle. I want to make this rectangle. Okay, I want to make a app which is where first will be text input, then it will be level, and then it will be button. So to do this, I have need this. So to do this, I need this box layout. So let's define a our root app class root app. You can choose any name. I am choosing root app. So so root app is a child class of button class, sorry, box layout box layout class. Now define a init method and I am double star k means I can pass here a dictionary. Okay, so super means super means, okay, init method init. Here I have defined a init method where I am calling the super init. Super means the super means this parent class, and I am calling this init method of the parent class, and I am passing the dictionary into the parent class. So we can set layout. We can set the layout in vertical or horizontal. To set this in vertical, I am just setting self self dot csc self dot orientation 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 equal to vertical vertical. I'm setting the orientation is vertical. Now let's make some objects of our button, label and text input. Self dot lbel equal to label. Self dot text input ti, say ti text input, and self dot button, sorry btn equal to button button. Text txt, and I am passing the text equal to press. So now I have three objects: label objects and text input ti object and button object. Then I can add these three widget into this layout. To add these widgets into layout, I have to pass these widgets into a add widget method of box layout. Self dot add widget, and I have to pass text ti. Then I am passing the label. Self dot lbl, self dot now I have added these three widget into this box layout. Add widget method is defined in widget class. As box layout is a child class of widget class, then I can access this add widget method. Now to build this widget tree, I have to call this root app object, or root app object. Now let's test this app. Okay, vertical spelling mistake, sorry, vertical VTICAL, vertical. See guys, here my app, it is text input. I can write any text here, and it is my label. So that's all for today. See you in next video.